I'm not gonna go upstairs. We're gonna go in this bedroom first. We gotta stay on this floor first. Okay, so big bedroom, balcony. Jacuzzi tub. Double sink, beautiful countertops, oh my gosh. And then a bathroom, I guess the shower's in here as well? Yeah, shower's in here. This place is gorgeous.
It just gets better.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, okay. I'm trying to look through the camera, but I'm also trying to experience it myself. That's the washer and dryer room through there. We're not gonna, it's fine. You know what a washer and dryer look like. This place is insane. So this is the other bedroom on the first main floor. Little balcony. Got a little TV. Oh my gosh, yeah, every bathroom does have the jacuzzi, huh?
Every room has a bathroom.
Girl was very happy and pleased with everything.
This is pretty cool. They have a whole poker table. Are you ready to get drunk?
Top floor, which we really did never spend time on. Brad and Ryan were up here. It's good enough. This place is gorgeous. I'm so sad to leave. I can't stop looking over the balcony. Beautiful. Look at this.